Yung mga members, yung iba sa kanila, they've also ventured into acting then. Is that something that we will see more of from the boys? And was it originally part of your plan talaga?
Well, as an idol group na tinatawag, we want them to be multifaceted sa kanilang talents. Diba? Singing, dancing, rapping, composing, hosting, modeling, acting. Lahat ng pwede nilang pasukin. Siyempre, gusto natin magawa nila. And nagsimula kami sa acting mainly kay Tomas, Taneo, and RG. And I think na yung iba sa kanila na nung una hindi nila hilig yung acting, nakita nila yung mga sweldo nito. Kaya parang gusto na rin nilang i-try yung acting. And ako naman, as a filmmaker of course, I'm just here to give them opportunities when they deserve it. When they deserve the roles, when they deserve the... So for example, itong kanta nila na Dagundo, nagkataon na bumagay siya sa Petuko kasi it speaks about pandirigma, tapos yung vibe niya, very action. So, hindi ko naman nilagay yung kanta nila doon just because ako yung manager nila. Nilagay ko doon kasi bagay siya. And plus, bonus na lang yung fact na, of course, imagine mo, yung Pedro Petuco, ipapalabas siya sa maraming sinihan from Luzon to Mindanao and possibly in the future sa streaming sa ibang bansa. And laging narinig yung kanta nila doon. So maganda rin siyang marketing opportunity.
Kaya nga naman ang reach ng MMFF, so magandang exposure.